Okay, this is a road network strategy. Now, usually if you see any of the capital, simple thing what they do is grid and iron pattern. You see from the sky, you see that it's okay, the roads are straight or the roads are semicircular or rectangular. Okay, this kind of thing emerges. Here, they made something like a complicated system. I don't know why. Okay, in fact, we have debated on that day also with the CM wanted something, no, tell me which one is better. Okay, whether the straight line is better or the curvature is better. Now, there are problems in curvature because you have to take all the utilities together. When you have so much of curves like this, okay, so much of curves like this, then the utility cost increases. If it is grid and iron pattern, then when you talk about electronics ECT, it's all the fiber optics, everything is going to go underground. When you have that, naturally it's better to have that the grid and iron pattern in the road, because it can follow the road pattern and then it becomes economical. It's a little bit complicated in terms of the design concept, road design concept. I don't know how they are going to implement it in the overall scenario. Next. Now, given the shortest time, whatever the Singapore team has done is good work. They have assembled everything data and then tried to put in a new concept, a new thing. Okay, that is something which is really good. Within a short time, they are able to grasp the problem and grasp the various concepts and trying to put it. Now, I'll put it this way, that this is a work in progress. Now, probably they had to rediscuss, take it to the people because it's a people's city, a people's capital. So we can try to project it among the people and then different stakeholders and try to see what is that concept, whether the people accept it or not, whether various stakeholders accept it or not. Probably we'll have a major debate on this for, let's say, for about 15 days or 20 days, and then go back to the Singapore team and say these are all the things, wishes of the people, and try to change whatever is possible. Otherwise, within a given short time, the regional plan as well as this plan, we need to see some more details how it is workable. Okay, some kind of implementation plan which we need, so that we can comment more detail in terms of what's happening in this field and how it will affect and how it will build a capital which is futuristic in nature. Okay, so that's what my quick reaction to this thing is. Thank you.